Hi children, welcome to English video class. This is Jyoti. I hope you understood the first part of flying together, children. I hope you enjoyed that story. I think you are with full tension. What happens? What happens to the birds? Okay, will they die or will be safe? You're getting tension, no children? Yes. So let us start the lesson, children. So first let us recall the first. Okay, starting onwards. See children, deep in a forest stood a very tall tree. Yes, you can see a very big tall tree. So its leafy branches spread out like strong arms. Okay. So what happened in the tree? Who were living, children? This tree was the home of a flock of wild geese. Geese means I showed you the picture also. Goose means it's a long webbed feet bird. Okay, geese means plural of that. So they all safe. They all felt very safe there in the tree. One of the geese was a wise old bird. Okay, one of the birds was a wise old bird. It always gives suggestions very nicely. They won't listen. Okay, the wise old bird noticed one day, observed that a small creeper at the foot of the tree. So creeper means I told you it's a small plant that needs support to grow usually along a tree. Okay, so it noticed, and what did they suggest? He spoke to the other birds about it. Did you see that creeper? So let us destroy it. Let us destroy that creeper. Okay, the old bird suggested. The geese asked, why must we destroy it? Why should we destroy? What harm can it do? No. The wise old bird replied that little creeper will soon grow. So as it creeps up, the tree will become thick and strong. So that's why I told to destroy it. The geese asked, what harm can a creeper do us? Then they asked a question, okay, wise bird, please tell us that what harm can it do? It won't harm us, no? So the wise old bird replied that with the help of the creeper, it will be possible for someone to climb the tree. So someone will come and climb the tree with the help of this creeper. Okay, it will be like a ladder to them. So hunter can come and kill us all. So one day, definitely that hunter will come and kill us. They replied that there is no hurry and the creeper is very small. Okay, they thought that creeper is very small and no hurry, no need of doing fast. So let us leave it. So the wise old bird said that destroy the creeper while it is still young. Now it is very small one, young one. So just destroy it. Now the creeper is soft and you can cut it easily. Later it will become hard and you will not be able to cut it. But they all didn't cut anything. We'll see. They thought that we'll see. We will see later. Okay, and they did not destroy the creeper. They forgot the wise old bird's advice also. After a few days, they forgot the advice also. So what happened? One morning, the goose had gone out. Now the creeper also became strong. So one morning when the goose had gone out, what happened? A hunter came to the forest. What happened? A hunter came. He climbed up the tree with the ladder, with the help of the creeper. He climbed. See how he was climbing? You can observe in the picture, children. How was he climbing? Yes, with the help of the ladder, with the help of the creeper. It's like a ladder to him. So that's why he got to the top of the tree and he spread his net there. Then he climbed down and he went away home. Okay, up to here the first part over, no children. Okay, let us see the second part. Now what happened? So the hunter climbed and he went away. So in the evening, the geese returned home. All the birds returned home. Okay, they did not notice the net. They didn't observe the net. Okay, so as they flew into the tree, they were trapped. Okay, so they all flew, they all came very happily to the tree. At the time, they were all trapped in the net. Okay, now they were all trapped in the net because that man already spread his net on the tree and he went there. So without seeing that net, they all flew and they all came very happily to their tree. So what happened? They all flew whenever they flew into the tree, they were trapped in the net. Now they are struggling hard. They struggled hard to get out, but couldn't. They struggled. They worked hard to come out of the net, but they could not. Help! Cried the geese. Then the geese started. Help us! We are caught in the hunter's net. Oh, what shall we do now? Now they were crying. Okay, what is their cry? We are caught in the hunter's net. Now we are in the hunter's net. Okay, we were trapped in the hunter's net. So please, what shall we do now? What shall we do now? What we have to do? What? Please come and help us. Please come and help us. Now they are crying. Okay, see children. Don't make a fuss now, said the wise old bird. Then the wise old bird said that don't make a fuss now. Fuss means unnecessary excitement. Okay, now why are you creating disturbance? Why are you shouting? Okay, why are you creating unnecessary excitement now? Okay, don't make a fuss now. Okay, don't shout like this. Long ago, I told you to destroy the creeper, but you did not. Long ago, before many days, I told you, I showed you this. I noticed that small creeper in the picture you can see. I noticed you the small creeper. I showed you the creeper and I told you to destroy it. Otherwise, it will become strong. I gave you warning also. You didn't listen that. Long ago I told to destroy that. You didn't listen that. Now see what happened. What has happened? Now see birds. What has happened now? Tomorrow morning the hunter will come back and kill us all, said the wise old bird. Okay, he said that. The wise old bird said that tomorrow morning the hunter will come and he will take this net and he will kill us all and he will take us home. Take to his home. Okay, I told you to destroy that creeper. You didn't do that. With the help of that creeper only, that man climbed this tree and he spread his net. So I told you before many days, but you didn't listen all this. So that wise old bird got angry also. Now the birds started crying. Now the birds were crying and they said, we were foolish. We were foolish. Okay, we are very sorry. We did not listen to you. We are very, very sorry. We didn't listen to you. At that time, you gave you very good suggestion. But we didn't listen to you. Please, sorry. Please tell us what to do. Okay, we are really sorry. We were really foolish. Please, we are really sorry. We didn't do whatever you suggest you. Okay, we didn't listen to you. Please tell us what to do. Then the wise old bird said a plan. Okay. Because it is a wise bird, I told you, clever bird. That's why again it told that another idea. Okay. The wise old bird said a plan. Do you know children what is the plan? When the hunter comes, you must all pretend to be dead. Okay. Tomorrow morning the hunter will come, no? At that time, you all pretend to be dead. Pretend means, acting. You all act like dead. Okay. You all birds act like dead ones. So the hunter will not want dead birds. Do you know children? Hunter want only living birds. Okay, he won't want only the dead birds. So that's why you just act like dead. You just pretend to be dead. You just act to be dead. You act like dead one. Okay, just dead ones you just act. Then what will happen? He will throw you. He will throw you out of the net. So, after throwing, he will throw us to the ground. So, definitely that man will come and we all must act like dead ones. So, he will throw us to the ground. Okay, from the net only, he will throw us to the ground. So, he will collect them later and take them home. So, first he will throw us to the ground. So, what happened? When the last of us has been thrown down, we must quickly get up and fly away. So, what is the plan of the old bird, children? Do you know? So, what is the plan? He told that let us act like dead ones. So he will come and he will throw us into the ground. So he will come and throw one of us to the ground. So after throwing all to the ground, he will come down and he will collect them. So after coming down, after feeling, we just last of us has been thrown down. If you all come down, we must quickly get up and fly away. So after all the birds will come and will be thrown on the ground now. At that time, after all birds come, let us quickly fly into the air. So he won't catch us. Okay, that is the plan of the old bird. Okay, so in the morning the hunter came to the tree and he climbed up the tree. So next morning, so the hunter came and he started climbing the tree, children. So he started climbing the tree. He looked at the geese in the net. Okay, he felt very happy in the net because in the net, who were there? Geese were there. All geese were trapped in the net. That's why he felt very happy. But do you know, children, what happened? They are all dead. He's just observing them. They were all like dead ones. So he's muttering. Muttering means, spoken in a low tone. He's speaking in a low tone that they were all dead. They are all dead. All these birds are dead. Why? Why? All these birds are dead. Why? He muttered to himself. Okay, he spoken to himself that, okay, all were dead. My God, all these birds were dead. So he threw them out of the net one by one. He started throwing them one of them to the ground, one of them to the ground. So the birds were also acting like dead ones. So whenever he is throwing them, they were coming down. So the birds lay still until the last one had been thrown down. Okay, the last bird also had been thrown down. Then at that time, that all at once they got up. They flapped their wings and flew away. Okay, they moved their wings up and down and then they started flying away. They all flew away at one time. Okay, children, understood the plan? See, so the hunter came and he observed that all were dead ones. Okay, they were all dead. So he started throwing them to the ground because he just want dead ones. He will take dead ones to the home, but not now. First, he want only living ones. So that's why he's throwing them to the ground because they won't go anywhere now. That's why he's throwing all birds to the ground. So after all the birds thrown down, then they all at once they got up and they flapped up their wings. Okay, they moved their wings up and down and they started flying away. They flew away. Okay, now see children how they were flying. See, all the birds have been flown away. Okay, all birds flew away. So the hunter was taken by surprise. So the hunter was on the top of the tree. Now he was still surprised. He was surprised. Okay, he saw that. He thought that they were dead ones and he had thrown them into the ground. But now all birds were flying away. The hunter was taken by surprise. He was surprised. He was shocked. From the top of the tree, he watched all the geese fly away. He was observing from the top of the tree that all birds have been flew away. Okay, all birds were flying. All were flown away. So he felt he was shocked and he thought that he was taken by surprise. So from the top of the tree, he watched all the geese fly away. So now they followed that old bird's advice. So what happened, children? Now they were all happy. Okay, they all had gone to some other tree or somewhere and all were very happy. Okay, see children, so first only if they listen, okay, if they had listened this old bird's advice and if they had destroyed that creeper means they'll be very happy. But they didn't listen at that time. But now this time they listened. So that's why what happened? They were all happy. Okay, so they were not dead. Now they were all happy because they followed the old birds, the old ones advice, and they were very happy now, children. So see children, always our parents or elders give us very nice suggestions. If you listen them carefully, definitely you will not do any mistake and it will be good to you. Otherwise it won't be. So the wise old bird also suggested them very nice advice at the beginning, but they didn't listen. Okay, that's why they were trapped in the net and they were in the trouble. Later they understood the value of the suggestion of the wise old bird and they followed that advice at the end. So that's why now they were all happy. So they were flying together and they felt very happy. So that is the story, children. I hope you understood. So let us see what is the moral of the story. So see children, we must listen elders' advice. Okay, here in this tree, who is the elder? Who is older one? Okay, that old bird. So first they didn't listen that old bird's advice. So that's why they did mistake and they were trapped in the net. But later they understood that and they followed. So what happened? They were all happy. So we must listen elders' advice. Your parents or elders or teachers, whoever gives you advice, you please listen them. Okay, they always suggest good suggestions. They always suggest you very good suggestions, good ideas, good things which are helpful in your future. Okay, which are very helpful in our future only they suggest us. So you should listen them. And if you follow them, it will be good to us. If you follow them, definitely it will be good to us. If you ignore them, we will face many difficulties like these birds. Okay, if you follow all those decisions, it will be good to you. If you ignore them, if you leave them, if you don't listen them, you will face many difficulties, children. So see children, this is the moral of the story. Okay, see, so that's why children, you please listen your parents' advice. Okay, I hope you understood this flying together children, flying together lesson, and let us meet in the next video.